Hi everyone and welcome back to Underwater Planet. So today I am going to be unboxing and reviewing the Suunto Zoop Novo dive computer. So if you're new here, my name is Taylor and I make videos of dives, scuba diving, and I review different equipment and gear. So let's get started with the video. So it has been used. So let's just take this sleeve out of the box. So we have our computer, and inside the box we also get a Suunto sticker. A quick guide. So the quick guide has information on how to use your computer. So when you first get it, you can have a look at that. Information on the limited warranty. And just general information and safety information on your dive computer. Scratch guard. So the scratch guard is included in the box and it can be replaced as well if it gets scratched up. If we take a look at the side of the computer, we have a data link port. So the cord is not included with the computer, but it is optional, so if you want to get it, you can, and it can just be plugged into a USB port in your computer, and you can download your dive log to your desktop computer or laptop. The computer has rubber buckle straps with 2 retainers, and the straps are adjustable, so if you are wearing a thick wetsuit or a dry suit, then you can adjust it to the length that you need it to be. So to turn the computer on, you can either put it in water or you can just press the mode button. And then it goes to the time setting. So when we are in the time setting, if we press the down or up button, it will cycle through the secondary information. So the secondary information is just the info that you see down at the bottom of the screen. So if we cycle through this, then we should be able to see all the different settings and information. Hold the down button, then it should take us to the general settings. So if we use the up and down buttons in the general settings, we can scroll through them. So we have the dive air, alarm, time, dual time, date, units. So you can change from the imperial to metric or metric to imperial. Backlight, contrast. So contrast is how bold things appear on your screen. Backlight, in backlight settings you can change how long the backlight stays up for. Tones, so tones are the noises that you will hear under the water. Version, so the version is your serial number and updated software on your computer. So if we go to dive mode and we press the select button, then we can press dive air. The other modes available are dive mode off, free dive, dive gauge. So that is just with your depth and time and stuff like that. Dive nitrox. And we're back to dive air, so let's just select that. So to get into dive mode, we just had to press and hold down the mode button, but now we're in dive mode. If you're in dive mode, if you press and hold the mode button down, the backlight pops up. So on the computer at the top, we have your current depth, surface time, no flight time, and then time, dive time. When you're in the water, these two will change to your no decompression times. So when you have to stop for your safety stop, the computer will beep at you, and then it will start at 3 and for 3 minutes, and then it will eventually count down to 0, and then you are safe to ascend more. When you first go into dive mode, the computer will do a little check. So it will check that the battery is okay, and if it is, then it will just come up with battery okay. So then you're all good to go for a dive. In the air dive settings, we have personal altitude. So it's your personal health, and then altitude, depth alarm. So if you go past a certain depth, then your computer will alarm you and tell you to ascend. Dive time alarm, so if you want to set your dive for half an hour, for example, then if you get to half an hour on your dive, then your computer will alarm you and you'll know that your dive is finished. A sample rate and a deep stop, so to stop at a certain depth for a safety stop. The Suunto Zoop Novo computer comes in a variety of colours, and you can get it as a wrist computer or in a console, as a picture shown after this clip will show you what it looks like. And you can also buy it with an SPG, so you can see your air in your tank. My computer is a wrist computer, and it just sits on your wrist like that. My dad's computer is in a console, so I will have a picture to show you. So if you are thinking about getting one, you can see if you would prefer the wrist computer or the console. If you are looking at diving nitrox, then in the nitrox mode on the dive computer, you can change the oxygen levels, and the MOD will change at the top of the screen. I am not going to be showing that today, but maybe later on I might do a video on diving nitrox with the Suunto Zoop Novo dive computer. So I hope that this video helped you with your computer, and if you want to watch more videos, stay tuned. Subscribe and like this video, and I am hoping to get to 100 likes on this video. If we can, then I will make some amazing videos for you guys to watch. Anyway guys, thank you for watching my review on the Suunto Zoop Novo dive computer. I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and if so, smash that like button, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.